Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Kids Fun Magic World. Friends, today our topic is essay on Unani medicine for innovative health solutions. Unani medicine, an ancient system of healing with roots in Greek, Persian, and Arab medical traditions, has provided valuable insights into holistic healthcare for centuries. The word Unani is derived from Unani, the Arabic word for Greek, reflecting the system's historical links to the teaching of Hippocrates, Galen, and later contributions by Persian and Arab scholars such as Avicenna. Unani medicine emphasizes a balanced approach to health, focusing on the body's natural healing processes and the interconnectedness of physical, mental, and spiritual well being. As the world grapples with the challenges of modern diseases and lifestyle disorders, Unani medicine offers innovative health solutions that align with contemporary needs while preserving ancient wisdom. Foundation of Unani medicine. At the core of Unani medicine is the theory of the four humors: blood, phlegm, yellow bile, and black bile, which correspond to specific elements in the body. Health is believed to result from a balance among these humors, while disease arises when there is an imbalance. Unani practitioners diagnose illness based on a holistic assessment of the patient, taking into account factors like pulse, urine, and tongue examination. Treatment focuses on restoring balance through various methods, including diet, herbal medicines, cupping therapy, and lifestyle changes. This holistic approach to health can be considered innovative in today's world, where many conventional treatment focus on symptomatic relief rather than addressing the root cause of disease. Unani preventive and industrialized care model has gained increasing attention as people seek more natural and comprehensive solutions to healthcare problems, integrating Unani medicine into modern healthcare. In an era marked by rising chronic diseases, mental health issues, and the overuse of pharmaceuticals, Unani medicine offers innovative alternatives that emphasize preventive, individualized treatment, and the use of natural remedies. For instance, the focus on diet and lifestyle modifications in Unani therapy resonates with the growing movement towards integrative and preventive medicine. Unani practitioners advocate for a balanced diet tailored to the individual's temperament and the season, a concept that has parallels in modern nutritional science and Ayurveda. Herbal medicine, an essential component of Unani, also offers groundbreaking potential in the treatment of various conditions. Herbs such as tulsi, holy basil, ajwain, carom seeds, and kalonji black seed are used for their medicinal properties in boosting immunity, managing stress, and treating digestive disorders. The use of these herbs can complement conventional medical treatment and provide natural alternatives to synthetic drugs, reducing the risk of side effects. Moreover, Unani medicine's emphasis on psychological and emotional well-being as part of physical health align with modern understanding of psychosomatic illnesses. Treatment that involve meditation, breathing exercises, and restorative practices can help alleviate stress, anxiety, and depression. In this regard, Unani's approach is in harmony with the growing recognition of mental health as a critical component of overall health. Conclusion: Unani medicine, with its rich history and comprehensive approach to health, offers valuable insight for modern healthcare solutions as the world faces an increasing burden of chronic diseases, mental health challenges, and the negative impact of synthetic drug overuse. The holistic, preventive, and individualized nature of Unani therapy presents an innovative paradigm by integrating Unani principles with contemporary medical practices. We can explore new, effective ways to treat and prevent disease, promoting overall well-being in a sustainable manner. With continued research and collaboration between traditional and modern medical system, Unani medicine has the potential to play a significant role in shaping the future of healthcare. Thank you friends for watching my video. Friends, I hope you like my video. If you like my video, so please subscribe, share and comments. Bye friends.